If you want a really comprehensive education, if you want a quality education, come to WesternU.
You're in school for your patients. You're here to make a difference.
I felt like I knew everybody, everyone was there to help each other. I can't emphasize enough that it really does feel like I'm home.
I don't think that there's any other place that you can get the vibe that you get here. My interview was the day that sold me.
To prepare me very well for a residency program, to be a very competitive applicant. And this is exactly what I found.
WesternU is very well established in California, in the center of SoCal, Inland Empire, in LA, San Diego, very ideally located.
WesternU participated for the first time in early decision program. So I say, well, there's too many things together pushing me to this school, so this is going to be the school. So I applied through a early decision program. Through that process, you can only apply for one school at a time. So I chose WesternU.
The IPBP, or the International Post-Baccalaureate PharmD program, is a PharmD program that's designed for international pharmacists who have graduated from their various universities in their countries. It's specifically designed for international pharmacists. There are so many classes that you have to take to prepare you to ease into the traditional pharmacy program.
WesternU really emphasizes breaking out of your comfort zone, expanding your network, expanding your knowledge, your capacity to communicate with others, your patients, professionals, your peers. Pharmacy school is not just books.
It's very fast-paced. That's the nature of a professional curriculum, but we make sure to lift each other up, to make sure that we all succeed together.
You have each other's support. They're going through the same thing you are, and they know what you've been through. And that kind of helps you get through a daily life of pharmacy school.
The system here, which is the block system, is very helpful also because it helps you to just focus on one thing at a time without worrying about the others.
They're structured in such a way that they build on each other. Every block, every year, we revisit some of the same topics, but we go a little deeper. We have a slightly different angle on it, and I like knowing from A to Z something instead of just, oh, we're just going to do C to F. My most valuable rotation experience to date was my first one. It felt very personal. It felt very intimate, that I knew something about these people. So I wanted to make sure that whatever part I had to play in their health, I wanted to make sure I did it right.
When we go to rotations, the preceptors are really happy with us. They compare us to students from other schools, and we're always ahead.
WesternU really does push you to be the better version of yourself every single day through small things like going to different events, being involved on campus, off campus.
The best thing about this school is that they give you all these opportunities to explore things that you don't necessarily need to know anything about to get into it, but you'll know more about it once you're there. All the faculty, they promote that. They promote you learning.
WesternU is great. Not only the teachers, all the supportive personnel. I mean, everybody's happy to be here. Everybody's happy to help. It's amazing.